Hey, what's up you guys? Just saw Infinity War, really good movie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint on glass today and I'm gonna be painting Thanos, but I'm gonna do it in reverse. So let me show you an example. So I did this piece probably like a year ago. The video's up here, you can go check it out. So what I did was I painted this backwards. So it ends up looking very muddy during the process, but once I'm done and I turn it around, the image shows. That's what I'm gonna do with the Thanos piece. So I got my stencils ready, I got everything set up. Let's go do that. So just finished with my glass piece, really happy how it turned out. Also did a canvas as well. Both of these pieces are available. There's an email in the description down below. You can contact me there. Let me know which one you like better, the glass piece or the canvas piece. Leave your answers in the comments down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.